Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jessica J and we talk a lot about home decor here. So if that's your kind of thing, I would love it if you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. In today's video, I have something really fun and exciting for you guys. I have a holiday tablescape. I like creating tablescapes that are very versatile. So although this is more geared towards Thanksgiving, just a couple of swaps and it'll make a really beautiful Christmas tablescape. I am going to take you guys out into my backyard area because I have a rectangular table out there and I really want to create something a little bit different this year and set the vibe and the tone for a outdoor Thanksgiving or holiday tablescape. So let's head outside into my backyard and get started. Now, before we go outside, we need to create a bouquet for our centerpiece. I'm going to use this pumpkin cookie jar or candy jar I got from Target last year. And for our foliage, I'm using two different kinds of eucalyptus. This one right here, I will leave the name of this kind down below, but I really love this kind of eucalyptus. You usually get a lot of it for a really great price. I'm also going to use these chrysanthemums. They're coming off a little more red on camera, but they're more of a deep burgundy color. I'm also going to use amaranthus, and then there is our seeded eucalyptus. I'm going to start off with this tablecloth I got from the West Elm outlet. It was a still, I believe it's cotton and a linen blend. This is just to give the table a little bit more of a cozy look since we're outside. I'm going to add the bouquet we created right in the middle. So here's the placemats we're going to use. These are from Bed Bath & Beyond from the brand Willow & Beast. So gorgeous. So I know I have to address the elephant in the room, which is the fireplace right behind the table. I haven't talked about it yet. We will talk about that very shortly though. So I'm going to use these plates. I've had them for a couple of years now, actually going on 3 years. Don't feel the pressure of getting all new tableware and utensils and all that. Just use what you have, and then you can just fill in empty spots with the new pieces or invest in pieces along the way. And I really feel like you can create beautiful, beautiful tablescapes or whatever you're decorating by using what you have and kind of mixing it with new items as well. Or if you can find things from the thrift shop or vintage stores. So next I'm going to add these tablecloths. I did tie them in this knot. These are from Target from the Hearth and Hand line. Super affordable. I think it came in a 4-pack for $9.99. Okay, almost forgot. I want to add a bunch of greenery down the center of the table. I have eucalyptus here, seeded eucalyptus. I'm going to add these longer pieces of eucalyptus first. And I really just want to get some of those seeded stems and kind of mix them in there. So this adds a little bit more texture and variety. Okay, next I'm going to add my hurricane glasses. I have 2 of these from Walmart and 2 actually got from Crate & Barrel. I'm going to start with the bigger ones towards the center. I'm going to kind of mix them in here. course, you want to make sure you don't have your candle in the way of your arrangement. You don't want to start a fire. So just be mindful of that. And then I have smaller votive candle holders from CB2. This is just going to add more texture to the table, more variety. And of course, a little sparkle. Don't forget your salad plates like me. Okay, now I'm going to add my candles. I have a variety of sizes. These are from World Market, and they're the bergamot and linen scent. They smell really good, but I love the color. They match the placemats perfectly. So like I said, I have a variety of sizes for the different hurricane glasses, and I also have the votive size. I think the biggest takeaway is layering when it comes to tablescapes and really anything with decorating. Just layering is really going to make everything come together really nicely. So next I'm going to add these stoneware pumpkins from Crate and Barrel. They look like this. I'm just going to add that in. Probably right here and right here. That looks good. And then I have this bag of pumpkins I got from Home Goods. I'm going to add this throughout as well, and also on top of the plate. Since my napkins are white, my plates are white, I'm not using any type of napkin ring, so this is just really going to add that texture and just a tad bit warmth. You can also use a real pumpkin. If you can find the white ones, they're kind of hard to find closer to Thanksgiving, and they actually bruise pretty easily. So I don't have a problem using these. And then you can also find, if you have smaller ones, or can find smaller versions of these, you can add that there. You can add a little bit of eucalyptus. I'm just going to add more of these. Okay, I forgot about these, but these are salt and pepper shakers from Target. I got them last year. They came out with a different version this year. I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested, but I'm just going to add, might be pumpkin overload, but I mean, when else can we use these? I'm going to add my glassware. These are from Crate and Barrel. They're so beautiful. They still have them. I'll link these down below as well. And they actually kind of match the votives over here on this side. So an easy swap to make this a Christmas tablescape, I would take out probably the amaranthus, and instead of the pumpkins, use these figurines right here. These are stoneware tree figurines from Target. They actually have that same stoneware look. So yeah, I would definitely use these instead of the pumpkins. They're gorgeous. If you want, you can even add some twinkle lights in between the foliage, or you can also add in some cedar or pine or whatever you can find on top of here as well, and add that to your bouquet.
I am in love with how the tablescape turned out. I think that it looks very elegant and beautiful, but it also feels very approachable and a bit casual, especially with using the seagrass placemats and adding in those brown tones. I used a lot of pieces that I've already owned, and I shopped at a lot of affordable places as well. I hope you guys like the tablescape as much as I do and you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys all have a beautiful and wonderful Thanksgiving with your family.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you really like the tablescape. Again, you can just make a couple of swaps to make it really geared for your Christmas tablescape. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys soon in a new video. Bye.